Welcome to the fourth game of the Western Conference quarterfinal. I'm Craig Simpson, and with me is Jim Houston.
We hope you enjoy all the action between the Edmonton Oilers and the Tampa Bay Lightning. Over the line, pass to him. Bishop scores!
Talent like that can dominate a game. Excellent goal.
He left that rebound in the wrong spot, no doubt about it.
Exactly, and they lit the lamp as a result.
Looks like this game is going to be fast-paced.
That's what the fans want to see.
In over the line, played back. Bishop makes the stick save. Advances the puck. Moved up. Kala scoops up the loose puck. Backhand. Talbot gets a pad on it.
That save was all about reading the play.
Rings it out. Moved ahead. Merrill gets the loose puck. Eberle, Tampa, scoops it up. Ahead to the neutral zone. Centered. Advances. Rolonek scores!
Great goal on the backhand. That's not easy.
Many say the backhand is the toughest save in hockey. The goalie has no clue where it's going, and many times neither does the shooter. Pass to him. Kuliov takes possession of the puck. Tampa beats out the icing call. Talbot gets a leg on it. Coburn intercepts the pass. Hackett gets hold of the puck. Hackett gets rocked. Grant. Wrist shot.
No good. The shot is wide.
Strawman scoops up the loose puck. Namestnikov. Killorn. Wrist shot from the right. Leg save by Talbot.
That wasn't going to happen.
Line one. Line three.
Quick pass up. Edmonton steals it. Door slammed shut by Bishop. Passed across. Tampa dumps the puck in. Pala jumps on it. Kasiak, Tampa takes control. Steven Stamkos, he scoops it up. Into the attacking zone. Steven Stamkos gets checked. Schuster fires! Moved up, out of their defensive end. Letestu gets the loose puck. He gets laid out.
A solid hit delivered.
Brings it out. He hammers Hedman.
Tough play. These guys want to steal one on the road.
Garrison takes possession of the puck. Along the boards with a wrist shot. The door is shut by Talbot. Kopikoski takes control of the puck.
Line two.
Yakupov shoots quickly. Bishop hangs on for the whistle. Face-off goes to the Oilers. Rolonek intercepts the pass. Merrill. Dean. Wrist shot. Carl stops the shot. Bishop freezes the puck.
Our proud to bring you a smoke-free environment. Thank you for not smoking.
Johnson, he gets shoved.
That shook him up.
Draisaitl with the puck. Callahan. Tampa gets it. And out they come with a puck. Played up. Vilkuna with a wrist shot. Yakupov scoops up the loose puck. Johnson picks off the puck. Kuliov.
Line one.
Kuliov in control now. He gets pushed.
He had a great angle on his man.
Eberle. He scores!
There's nothing as lethal as a quick and accurate wrist shot.
The goalie will be seeing that one in his nightmares. Tampa may be headed to the dressing room down by one.
It's certainly not the way you want to end the period.
Quick shot. Schuster gets in the way. Hedman jumps on the loose puck.
29.
Puts its third line out. Grant finds the loose puck. Steven Stamkos shoots it quickly. Talbot stabbed at it. McDavid over the blue line. Working along the perimeter.
Quick pass up. The end of the first period is always interesting. This is when both teams will make adjustments to try to gain an edge in the second. Jim, that was a close first period. Let's hope things open up here in the second.
At this point, each team is aware of the other's weaknesses. Nurse gets hold of the puck. Kasiak. Killorn has it now. Ahead to the neutral zone. Into the attacking zone. Talbot shut the door.
Super pad save.
Passed ahead. Moved up. Offside. Draisaitl won the faceoff. Ferentz takes possession of the puck. Draisaitl gets checked. Offside, Tampa. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Taylor Johnson gets the loose puck. Clefbaum gets checked. Moved ahead. Eberle scoops up the loose puck. Along the boards, Taylor Johnson knocks the puck loose. Edmonton takes possession. Filpuda out over the blue line. Passed ahead. Callahan, wrist shot. Talbot stoned him. Quick pass up. Eberle shoots the puck. Namestnikov. Tampa now with it. Over the blue line. Killorn.
Line one!
Yakupov grabs the puck. Julia gets pushed.
He'll pay more attention now.
Line three!
Schuster. Ahead to the neutral zone. Moved up. Rolonek with a wrist shot. Talbot turned the shot away.
Great follow-up save.
Line four!
Centered. Miller crushes Kucherov. Fane advances the puck. Norris gets the puck. Boyle finds it. Rolonek takes it. Hedman gets shoved. Passed ahead. Kopikoski backhands it. Bishop hangs on for the whistle. The shooter unleashed the backhand and the goalie stopped him point blank.
He slammed the door on him that time.
The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Johnson, Julia knocks him off the puck. Edmonton gets a hold of it. Gets the shot off. Blocked. Callahan takes control of the puck. In over the line. He gets shoved. Moved ahead. Turned over. Moved up. Advances the puck. Tampa puts its scoring line up. Brings it in. Talbot gets a leg on it.
This man is equally at ease making saves with his gloves or his pads.
Stamkos jumps on the loose puck.
Line three, get up there!
Draisaitl dumps it in on the end boards. Grabbed by Tampa. Stamkos. Edmonton has it. Sekera. Hall. Yakupov wipes out Garrison. Centers it. Up along the boards. Clefbaum takes possession of the puck. Shoots it. Talbot hangs on for the whistle. We're ready for the faceoff. Carl off the post. Hackett finds the loose puck. Denied by Talbot.
He used the pads to make the save.
Norris with the puck. Nugent Hopkins gets pushed. He gets hold of the puck. Fane. Wrist shot. Saved by Bishop. Moved up. Boyle had the puck. Shove.
He dished out a good one there, Jim.
Advances the puck. Played up. Edmonton dumps the puck in. Carl scoops it up. Shoots quickly. Bishop. Great save. Moved up.
Last minute of play in the second.
Killer scoops up the loose puck. The Lightning dumped it. Edmonton scooped it up.
The heroes of hockey are coming to our town. Check out the stars of yesterday as they take on players from our local police, ambulance.
We're just about to start the third period.
Jim, this is when you want to start to turn up the heat.
The face-off goes to the Oilers. Kucherov takes possession of the puck. McDavid. He gets a hold of it. Brings it out. Moved ahead. Turned over in the neutral zone. McDavid grabs the puck. Gets the shot off. Leg saved by Bishop.
Definitely a big stop from the keeper.
Quick pass up. Passed ahead. Stallman shoots. Pouliot. Over center. Over the blue line. He grabs the puck. Stallman. Out over the blue line. Yakupov scoops up the loose puck. Nugent Hopkins. Along the boards. Pouliot takes possession of the puck. Shoots quickly. Bishop
Stabs at it. Great save with the glove hand.
The Lightning dump the puck in. Fane takes control. Paquette has it. He gives up the puck. Tampa in control now. Rolonek. He dumps it in. Jumped on by Edmonton. Breakaway. Pouliot shoots the puck.
He scores! What a goal!
He got behind the defense with the puck and put it past the netminder nicely.
Toughest spot for a goalie is one-on-one, and he lost that challenge.
That goal gives them some much-needed insurance.
A one-goal lead in the third, and you're still sweating. A two-goal lead means smooth sailing.
At center, advances the puck into the attacking zone. Played up. Schuster takes control of the puck. Kucherov. Stemkos grabbed it. Kucherov gets shoved. Moved up. Letestu gets hold of the puck. Ferris! He scores!
This is what's so great about the wrist shot. It's not as fast as a slap shot, but it's quicker to get off and way more accurate.
Boyle grabs the puck. Scooped up by Tampa.
Andrew Ferris, assisted by number 10.
Paquette cranks one. Grabbed by Tampa. Boyle shoots. Brings it out. Meron. Harrison pushes. Kasiak. Bishop. Great save. Nugent Hopkins takes control of the puck. Fires it. Talbot with a big glove save. Talbot hangs on for the whistle. Wins the draw. Grant with the puck. Edmonton wins the race and beats out the icing call. Phil put up ahead to the neutral zone. Over the blue line. With a wrist shot, Talbot gets a pad on it.
The goalie stood his ground and made the save.
And out they come with a puck. Harrison jumps on the loose puck. Quick shot, fast glove.
And he added a little flair to that great glove save.
In over the line. Klepov grabs the puck. Shoots it. Talbot denies him.
Now that was a quick pad save.
Moved ahead. Rolonek takes control of the puck. Edmonton needs to be making a line change soon. Namestnikov. The Lightning dump the puck in. Fane takes possession. Short pass. And that's icing. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Advances the puck out of their defensive end. Played across.
He gets hit. He drilled him a good shot there, Jim.
Talas with a blistering shot.
Third period.
Fane jumps on the loose puck. Letestu grabs it. Edmonton scooped it up. Short pass. Schuster takes possession of the puck. Offside, Tampa. The action's about to start. Strawman has it now. Killorn. Cannonading shot. Grant stops the shot. Quick pass up. Moved up. Played up. Draisaitl finds the loose puck. Moved down.
Took his man out nicely, Jim.
Moved across. Grant with the puck. Carl gets the pass from Bishop. Killorn. Here he goes, all by himself. Ference gets hold of the puck. Yakupov. Into the attacking zone. He scoops up the loose puck. Strawman gets checked. He turns the puck over. Draisaitl with it now. It's over. Tampa takes a major loss.
That drops them back 2 games, and that's a deep hole to climb out of.
Tonight's third star for Edmonton, number 67, Benoit Pouliot. Tonight's second star, Edmonton, number 33, Cam Talbot.
From Tampa, Florida, that's it for another one. This is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson. See you next time.